Hey guys, Woods Farm here. Just another project. I went down to Belleville, picked up this tractor. This is a 1949 Farmall Model A, and this tractor belonged to my grandfather. I went down, got it from my dad. He had it for many years and has finally decided to pass it along to me. And I'm going to do a restoration on this and bring it back to its former glory. This tractor does run. Ever since I can remember. I remember when I was a little kid, my grandfather got this tractor and he used it to cut hay and do other stuff. And then my dad kind of took over and he put a snow plow on the front of it. And for many years, he used it to plow our driveway. And I think now the old thing's done enough work. I'm going to retire it, but the plan is to do a restoration and get it back to kind of looking new and running smooth. So that's the plan. The tractor does run, so we're going to start it up and get it off the trailer, and I'm going to park it, kind of winterize it. I've got a lot of other projects. I'm working on the 222 Scout car, and I got to finish that up before I start working on this. Okay, so as long as I can remember, this tractor was stored indoors, either in our garage or in a shed. And when my grandfather had it, he just kind of puttered around on it. He cut some hay. He had like a sickle bar mower, and he'd cut hay down at the local church. They had this big hay field. And then eventually my dad started using it for plowing snow in the driveway. He had a big snow plow mounted on the front. So it did get used quite a bit over the last 20 years, especially during the winter. But I think it was stored indoors, and it's in fairly good condition, I would say. To restore it, I mean, obviously, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and bite the bullet, get some new tires, and probably front and back. Mechanical wise, it's running right now, but my dad was saying he thinks there's a problem with the distributor and there's a little bit of play and he can't quite get the timing right. So that could be an issue. So I'll have to look to that. The starter was recently rebuilt, but I think I need to build a new battery box and do a little bit of fabricating, fix up some of the metal work. Pretty sure you can get new carburetors. That's got some JB Weld patching it up there, and I guess it leaks fuel slowly at the sediment bowl there. So the fuel system needs to be touched up and worked on, probably new wiring. Obviously I'm going to strip it down, repaint the whole thing, new decals, and get this tractor back to the point where we can even maybe take it to the local fair, show it off, maybe take it to a couple plow competitions. So that's the plan. Okay, there it is. It's going to stay in there under this shed for the winter. I still got a little work to do to winterize it. I'm going to seal up the intakes, make sure no water gets into the engine, and just cover it up a little bit better, protect it from the snow. Hopefully next summer I'll look to sourcing some tires and maybe start tinkering on it. I did look up some ways to actually hook up belly mowers onto this, so I might actually be able to use it a little bit around the farm to do some mowing of the fields. Anyways, if you want to see more videos of the Farmall Model A and the restoration, definitely make sure to like and subscribe to the Woods Farm channel. And as always, thanks for watching.